Hey yo, I'm Daisy. Hey, hello guys. I'm actually kind of dizzy because I spent around like 5 times trying to record this. Welcome to a new video on Ericash. Today we're going to get over the updates, everything that has happened, every news, and the lottery winners as well. Let's just jump right into the video. Bye. So today we have amazing news because the chart is getting way better. Let me just turn on my light real quick so I'm in the atmosphere, and let me just put it real quick so I look fresh. All that said, we're going to hop onto the website over here, click on the dashboard, and we do have here the total ad reflected. Approximately 1.7 million, not that much, not that much what I mean. They have chosen the winner for the lottery, the second winner already. We can click over to the lottery over there, and we do over here have it. He won about 3.6k just by buying like $20 tickets. Myself, I bought like 2 tickets. I bought 3 tickets. Unfortunately, I didn't win. Today when I was at school, my wallet ID is lasting with the letter A as well. And when I saw A at the end, I was like, what? I won 3k? No, I didn't. Someone else did. Congratulations to that guy. You can also join the Telegram over here onto the announcement tabs, and do have congratulations. The winner of the wallet ID has won 15 billion ADACAS, so it was 3.2k. Amazing. Now the next lottery is going to be in 6 days from now, and it's already worth 1.6k. Great. 7 players already are in, and with 9 tickets. Let's see all the announcements they have, and also I want to show you guys how much ADA I earned for about how much was it, like 2 weeks maybe, with the low volume that has been going on lately. So here is the chart is growing again. As you guys can see over here, I bought here 3 tickets. Market cap is 21 million again. Growing back again. As you guys can see over here on the 15-minute chart, it looks so good, it looks so bullish. It's going only up. We have a lot of buys. Amazing. And I have about 16 million ADA over here. Wait, is it million or is it trillion? Billion. Yeah, is it billion? It's not million. 16 billion ADA that has earned me $50 already, as we have in ADA over here, and I have swapped like 20 more or 30 more in BNB so I can buy tickets. So yeah, I have earned about $70 just by holding the token. Today's volume is not that great how it was a couple of days ago, but I still am earning a lot of ADA free. Let's get over to the other announcements. So you have over here also live interview with Juiced. Amazing. I watched the interview, was crazy good. Also I have another video from Michael, a very great video as well. I've checked it out. We are mentioned in Business Insider. Let's check that out. So if you click over here, ADA shells out 1.5 million rewards to users in 1 month into operation. I'll leave the link down in the description if you guys want to read this article. Very great article by Trevor Holman. Great. So the second live interview, as I said before, I've watched it live actually with Moonboy Crypto. Here's the link. Also, I'll leave it down in the description if you guys want to check it out. Amazing. Let's give it a like and I'll retweet that. So the $10,000 giveaway is still going on. Right now it's not $10,000. It's about 7k. 7k at the time of recording. It's going to end up in 30 days, so whenever it's going to be the New Year's Eve, with 33 billion ADA. More of that. We're going to hop on to the Twitter over here. Twitter is growing, Telegram is growing. We do have a lot of new members. I'm in the community in Telegram, like daily. Chatting with guys, with people, with the community, and I see it growing. There are now 6.7k members. That's crazy because when I joined there were like 5k, but firstly when I made the video they were like not even 1k, so this is crazy growth, amazing. Also the Twitter 6k over here, all the new updates. Yeah, the token itself is doing great. Also we did have a news with what's it called, with Sol Cash, as I made a video beforehand. You're going to earn Solana just by holding Sol Cash. We do have here a photo. So stake, earn hub, earn ADA Cash. With holding ADA Cash, you're going to earn ADA. If you guys are going to stake ADA Cash, you're going to earn Sol Cash, and just by holding Sol Cash, you're going to earn Solana. So amazing ecosystem we have over here. It's going to be so crazy, so good. As I said before, I'm going to join the private sale. I'm going to make a video about it, everything on that. Yeah, itself it's looking amazing. So features: receive ADA rewards while staking, Solana rewards starting already while staking. So no need to harvest your Sol Cash first. Let me just find out real quick the announcement that we had onto the Sol Cash. Yeah, we do have over here. So you still earn your ADA while staking ADA Cash. You have to pay 15% tax for entering staking ADA Cash, as is normal with each transaction. You will earn Solana even you have not harvested your Sol Cash. So that's what I like, because you don't have to harvest every time. You're going to earn Sol Cash. Harvesting Sol Cash will send you your ADA, earn ADA plus Solana plus Sol Cash. Unstaking ADA Cash is tax free, so you don't have to pay anything. Harvesting Sol Cash is tax free as well, don't have to pay anything, and max amount of ADA Cash you can stake will be 200 billion. Time to fill your bags. So I have like 16 billion. I'm not even close. So yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching. I highly suggest going and checking out ADA Cash. All the links for it will be down in the description, and make sure to join the Telegram group, because the community over there is amazing. I do have news every single few days. So yeah,